Hello to all of you friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you a website. You can create cool text with this website. For this, you don't need design knowledge and powerful computer. You just need an internet connection. After watching this video, you can easily create logo or cool text. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos before starting the video. If you are ready, let's go to the video. First, write cool text on your search engine and enter first website cooltext.com. This is main page of cool text graphics generator. We have here 120 items. This is very simple for design your logos. We have animated logos here, allow animated cloud or glitter. For example, I will choose one of them. I'm choosing this. Skate, for example, skate have blue color. Logo text is your name. My name is requires. That's all. Is so simple. For change font categories, or you can look suggested fonts. For this item, I will choose arm wrestler. For this, that's all requires. You can arrange text size here. 50 is good. You can use gradients or you can choose your own color, start color and choose end color. Your logo is ready. That's so simple. Or you can use gradient and I will choose my gradient. Deep sea looks perfect. For change again, yellow orange, frost yellow or German flag. I will choose cool select. For shadow, you can light blur. I don't want shadow, for I choose no shadow. Image, you can arrange image from here centered. For or top left, you can choose width or height. You can choose from here. I will choose auto. For file format, we have GIF with transparency, not either the JPG, PNG with transparency. For Photoshop users, PSD and XCF for native GIMP format. For GIMP users, that's all. Composite, you can add nav layer at requires. For example, we can add another I will choose clap. For set 20, this is clap bigger than. That's all. Requires clap. For save your work, click to create logo and click download button. That's all. And you can edit from this link. For get HTML, click here, and email, you can take email from this cool text. Also, you can share image on Facebook, Google Plus, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Tumblr. But don't forget, the generated image will normally only be kept for an hour. You must download it or click get HTML in order to get a permanent image address. Don't forget this. If you don't save your work, you can lose all of them. That's all. You can design logos and cool text with this website.